So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install this, my Ironman Swift 1400 hardshell 10 into my Forerunner. It's really heavy, so I'm gonna need the help of a few friends to mount it on top. But first I need to remove all my accessories. Let's do this. After you remove all your accessories, brackets, whatever you had on your roof rack, make sure you clean your roof, because it's not going to see sunlight in a while. If you can, wax it, or I don't know, put like a protector or something.
We're just gonna put it on and leave.
Oh, that's it? Oh, alright, fuck it. I didn't worry about the rest.
Brought some help, Home Depot workers.
We're only here to drink. We're only here to drink. You better pay this motherfucker.
First you're gonna add the handlebar. This one goes on the top.
A huevo!
Yeah. Yeah, see, yours with the going.
Is this,
Are you inside the boat?
is this video
No.
made for kids? Nope.
So go inside the boat then.
No, I can't because it's too far
Yeah,
off.
see? Yeah, that's one. Okay. So we have
So what happened?
I'll loosen it.
No, it's just... We have the one that's loose. We just put the crossbar in. Adjustment. Oh, we gotta get a crescent wrench to adjust those.
These ones.
What side?
Ready?
Leave with your legs.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, the side you're gonna put the ladder? Move
It's gonna be the right side.
Huh?
It's gonna be the right side.
You
Yeah.
gonna do passenger or driver?
Oh look, channels on the bottom too to push it.
I know, that's what I told you.
Look.
Where are you gonna put the awning?
Down. What do you mean? Oh,
So we can bolt that.
we can put it there, huh?
Yeah.
The quick releases.
On Amilas, we put the awning right here, bolted it to here, the sides. And then
Dos, uno.
So right now we're lifting the stand, so we can put the brackets
Okay.
on the roof rack.
So,
Oh, and now we can take those off.
Yeah.
So that, yeah.
What are you doing? What are you?
removing the root. I need an Allen key.
He needs an Allen key.
I need you to stop recording me. I do not consent to any recording. I get
You
triggered.
don't got no rights. It's my house. My house.
COVID.
No, not yet,
So
bro.
you have to put the bolts in the rack and then bring it down. Put the bolts back into the rack over here on the bottom.
But there's easier ways of doing this, but we're just like too stubborn not to do it.
What's the issue with?
We would have taken it out, flipped it over like Pedro said, and then throw it on.
No.
Fans matter.
The easiest brackets to put on are the ones on the front. You just open up the sunroof.
The fans matter. Focus the ass.
And time them.
Subscribers.
Said 3.
Oh, 3?
Chee!
Yeah. That shit is hard.
So climb in there now.